Hello YouTube, I'm Afridi from DiGi and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to do the KOLDER zoom effect, the zoom transition. That's like, yeah, it makes your video look more better as long as it's not better or it is better. Yeah, but you know, it's better and it looks more better with it. Yeah, so if you want to follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me, which is Aftab_Afridi. And if you want to learn how to do the transition, then make sure to watch this video. Yeah, if you do not watch it, you cannot learn it. So voice, what happened to it? I'm using the internal mic, and that's because the external mic was too far and I was too lazy to pick that up, so I just came with this. I was too excited to show you this thing because somebody asked for that, and I'm gonna show this to you. I'm gonna use only CuteCut, and that's really great. Only CuteCut and you're gonna get this done. Okay, so open CuteCut app and double click on your video and add a custom transition and take it to the last part. Okay, click on the ending of the transition and just zoom it in, go to the last and just select not this one, that, yeah, and now just select this, click the tick mark, and now select the second part and add custom transition. This should be in the first part, and in the ending transition also zoom it in and go to the last and just choose the upper curve. Yeah, so now when you play it back, it looks like this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more just like this. Peace out.